Let's talk about assignment 2, email to the instructor. Email in Canvas may be a little bit different from some of the other email programs you've been using. Uh, to find the email, we're going to come to this blue ribbon to the left of your Canvas window, and we're going to click Inbox. This is your email area. Any conversations that you have, you'll see lined up here, and then the body of the email will appear here. To create a new email, you're going to come up to this icon here. If you hover over it, it says compose a new message. That's what you're going to choose. It will ask you to pick the course you want to use. So you're going to navigate to favorite courses and pick the course that we are taking together, which will probably be Introduction to Computers. It won't say that. And then in the to area, you can start to type my name. And from the list, my name should appear. So we'll select that. Now, the subject line, very important that you include the subject line. You should always, when you're emailing a teacher or supervisor, be very specific about what the email is going to be about. In this case, you're sending me an email about assignment number 2. So I'm going to put A02. Some classes you may need to spell out a little more what you're writing about, but always be sure to include a subject. And if you're responding to an email, make sure the subject is correct. If not, start a new email chain. Now, in the body of the email, because you're writing a teacher and not a friend, you're going to want to be a little more formal. So definitely start with a salutation. If you're not sure what to use for a salutation, dear followed by the teacher's name is appropriate. Then type the body of your email and then end with some salutation, some complimentary close. Some email programs allow you to predetermine your complimentary close, and that automatically puts them in any email. For this, you're going to need to actually do one yourself. Now, if you do not have a different idea about a complimentary close, sincerely is always a good word to use, followed by your name at the bottom. And again, you can be a little more informal when you're writing to other students, but when you're writing to teachers, you definitely want to be a little more formal. Always include a subject line, always include your salutation and your complimentary close. Write with correct grammar as best you can. I always have students ask me, does spelling and grammar count? The answer is it always counts. Even if a teacher's not giving you points off for bad spelling and bad grammar, it does form the teacher's opinion of you. Not just teachers, but in fact, everybody. So spelling and grammar always counts. Do your best. Keep in mind, this is not long. Most good emails are short. So I definitely recommend you be concise as much as possible. And then when you're ready, hit send. So this is assignment 2, sending an email.